welcome to our channel. I'm Miss Diana, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a boat. Oh, have you seen a boat before? How about let's have a look. This is a boat. Let's spell boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Yay, boat. So, do you want to make a boat? Maybe we can play with it later. First, you need a paper. A piece of paper. Okay, when you get a paper, what you must do, you fold it in half. Fold half. Fold it half. And open them again. And fold half again. Say half. Yes. Fold half. You open them again. And fold it again like this half, okay? You can do it like this, and then you're going to fold it down, and you fold it down to the middle, pointy, yeah? Fold it in the middle. Yay! We're gonna make like a triangle. See? Okay, you can do it. Fold it. Fold it like this, okay? And then you will fold it up. Bring up. Just like this. Very good. And also the back of it. Just like this. Ta-da! Can you do it like this? Just like me. And then we are going to open them. Can you put your hand inside like this? Open. Yeah, okay, it was like this. Put your hand inside. Open. Okay, careful. Open and make it into a square. Just like this. And simply fold this in. And the one behind, just fold it in. Okay, so you have a square. Do you have a square? I have a square. And after having a square, we are going to fold it up. And fold it up. So from here, you go up. Okay, fold it up to make a triangle. Wow. When you make a triangle, you fold it up like this, okay? From here, go up. And the same for the behind. Fold it up. Then you fold it, and you got a triangle. Who has a triangle? I have a triangle. And now the triangle is going to be a square again. And now you put your hand inside, and oh, there you go. Can you do it like this? Okay, from here, from the triangle, you put your hands inside. Open it, and it became a square again. Here you go, another square. Okay, then from here you will pull it down. Wow, and you have your little boat. Wow, you get your boat just like me. Now I have a boat. Oh, let's look for a pail of water, and then we can. Okay, this is my pail of water. If you have a bigger pail, you can definitely get it. And then you put your little boat inside, and see, it can float on it. Wow! And let's sing the song together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merry, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 life is but a dream. Wow, can you show me your hands? Like this. We row. I'll do like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Very good. Good job, kids. And I hope you enjoyed the video and you make your own boat. Bye-bye.